Bike check. I'm bored. Start with the front. Odyssey Aitken. Odyssey Aitken. G-Sport roll cage laced to a marmoset with DT Swiss stainless steel spokes. My forks are Odyssey classic forks, classic dirt forks. Odyssey CFL stem, I polished it myself. I rawed it. Deluxe bars. Trigger brake lever. ODI grips. ODI bar ends. Odyssey linear cable. That will focus. Whatever. It's the SLC cable. Onto my frame. It's a spray painted deluxe 2010 frame. Awesome trail frame. Going on to my seat. Got the Shadow Solus mid seat seat and seat post combo. Mr. Clampy seat post, orange. Odyssey JCPC pedals. Odyssey twom bolts. Simple sprocket. Whipperman chain. Oh yeah, and on the cranks I'm running 170s. They feel nice. Fly cable hanger. Odyssey brakes. The Fly Zapatas brake pads, or however you say that. And the back wheel is a G-Sport roll cage laced to a ratchet with DT Swiss stainless steel spokes. Yeah, that's my bike right there. You heard about it. If I forgot anything, any questions, leave it in the comments, and I'll get to them later.